everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you all how to make restaurant-worthy nachos. Get excited. Let's get right into it. So first, get yourself an oven-safe container. Very important. You could use something like this or something like this if you have a lot more people to feed. Preheat your oven to 425. Make sure you have a delicious salsa on deck. If you want to know how to make a nice fresh salsa, click the link above for my recipe on salsa, and you can watch that video too and go ahead and prep that and throw it in your refrigerator. But first, I'm gonna make mine in this container right here. I'm gonna take the nacho chips of my choice with my oven preheated at 425 and just kind of throw them down in an even layer. Now again, I'm only making these for me, so that's why I'm making a much smaller portion than maybe you will at home. So don't feel any kind of way if you're making one this size. And this could be great for like game day, a birthday, somebody who loves nachos, maybe Cinco de Mayo, you know, whatever floats your boat, whatever reason that you are making nachos, this works great. Okay, so now I have my layer of chips here, and next I'm gonna go ahead and grab the toppings. So take a look at this. Pretty simple, it's just a layer of chips. Then I'm gonna grab my black beans. And making sure to kind of let some of the water kind of drip off, the liquid, I guess it's not water, but liquid. And then just put as much as you want to taste. Okay. And I'm gonna do just a little bit more. Okay, and then next up is the ground beef. I'm gonna go ahead and put some of that in there. It's nice and hot from the oven. Yes, delicious. And I did, of course, I used the hot seasoning, bake that or cook that in there. You do it how you feel. It's more about the way you set it up and the oven preparation. So, there's some ground beef on here. All right, everybody, so I have my chips, my black beans, and my ground beef on our container here. Next, I'm going to put in some cheese. Some nice seasoned cheese here. The Mexican style blend. And I like a lot of cheese. So, and I'm sure if you're preparing this, you like a lot of cheese too. So hook it up. Because when we put it in the oven at 425, we're gonna get that nice charred cheese situation going on. And that's really where the magic is. All right, so I put a good amount of cheese here. Okay, so the next step is I'm gonna throw it into the oven and leave it in there for about 10 to 15 minutes to get nice and golden. So take a look at that. Hopefully you guys are able to see that. All right, so that's what it's looking like. And I'm gonna give you guys a close-up too, so no worries. And really, this is simple. It's meant to be simple. You got this, you can do it, it's gonna be delicious. And then I'm gonna throw it right in the oven and I'll be back. Okay, so nachos are out the oven and they are looking so crunchy and delicious. So what I'm gonna do is just serve myself a little portion of it with my fresh salsa, which I'm showing you guys, you know, what it all looks like over the top. But okay, I'm gonna take a little piece here. Yes. Okay, so it is nice and, ooh, this looks so yummy. I'm gonna put my fresh salsa on top. And bon appetit. So that is how you make my super crispy restaurant style nachos at home. Yes. I'll let you know it is delicious and I'm about to chow down. If you enjoyed this, go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be making so many more delicious recipes for you, healthy options. Again, if you want to know how to make that salsa, click the link above. I did provide it. I have a whole video about how to make delicious, fresh, homemade salsa. And hit the notification bell so that you always know when I upload. And I'll say goodbye for now, guys.